This is a freshly harvested aloe vera. You see those yellow sticky liquid? That's the latex. It can irritate your skin and cause allergic reactions like itching, redness, and rashes. So this is why we soak it in a bowl of water to get rid of it. After a few minutes, this is what it looks like. The water has turned yellow and you can see the debris. Don't try this if you have sensitive skin. I repeat, don't try this at home. Simply replace the contaminated water with a fresh water before you wash the aloe vera. After washing, you change the water again before you finally rinse the aloe vera. While making body contact with the aloe vera, make sure you are careful of the spikes. They can pierce your skin when you least expect. It is important to do a patch test on your wrist before thinking of applying aloe vera gel to your hair to avoid allergic reactions, especially if you have sensitive skin. Aloe vera can be hydrating to your hair, but if used too often and exposed for too long without sealing the moisture, it can create a film leading to dryness, flaking, buildup, dandruff, scalp irritation, and breakage. According to research, people who are allergic to onions, tulip, and other plants in the lily family are potentially allergic to aloe vera. Drinking aloe vera juice can be beneficial, but you have to apply wisdom. Too much can cause stomach cramps, diarrhea, nausea, and colon discoloration. Pregnant people and diabetic patients are not advised to take aloe vera juice because aloe vera juice serves as a natural relaxative that doesn't go well with certain medications and can also induce miscarriage. It is important to consult a medical professional before thinking about taking aloe vera juice. When handling aloe vera, be careful not to ingest the latex. Research has shown that it can be dangerous to your kidneys, your heart, and can cause cancer. If you do that by mistake, please kindly rush to a medical facility and seek help. Aloe vera can be very beneficial to our hair. It hydrates and nourishes the hair. It reduces excess sebum production on the scalp. It stimulates hair growth and strengthens hair. It protects hair from UV damage, adds shine to dull hair. It helps heal scalp injuries. It also minimizes gray hair. Your skin can also benefit from aloe vera in the following ways. It is a good moisturizer, improves the elasticity of your skin, it tightens the pores to reduce acne breakouts, it treats skin burns, it promotes a smooth and even toned skin. You can use aloe vera effectively in different ways. You can use it as a styling gel, as a pre-poo, as a detangler. You can use it as a deep conditioner by, mixing it with yogurt or your favorite conditioner. You can use it as a facial moisturizer. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. You can make an oil out of it here, aloe vera oil. You can use it as a first aid for burns. You can use it in your smoothies and so many other ways out there. Make your research. I have just shared the dangers, benefits, and uses of aloe vera gel, and by the end of this video, you know how to make your own aloe vera gel for your personal use. I hope you are enjoying the video and I'm sure you've gained so much value. Please kindly do me a favor, kindly like, subscribe, comment, and share this video so that other persons that need this information can find it. On the flip side, you're going to help me meet up with the 4,000 watch hours. Honestly, I'm not going to even lie to you guys. My channel is a year old and I have failed to meet up with the 4,000 watch hours because of, distraction from work, personal life, academics, and also, guys, please, I need your love and support than ever before. I know you guys have been, helping my ministry, but please, I'll need it more. I'll need more of it because now I have to work twice as hard to gain monetization. So please help me if you really value what I'm doing on this channel. Thank you and God bless you. Here's the reason why you always have to filter your DIYs. Stay tuned for the next video. I love you.